Is it the right time to make a decision about Alibaba stock? Let's dive deep into Alibaba in this video. We initially published a report on our website on Thursday, January 25, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since January 23, 2024, our system has ranked Alibaba as a buy candidate, with a score of 1.88. Now, let's take a closer look at how the stock has performed during this period. Unfortunately, the stock hasn't met expectations and has experienced a loss of -0.23% so far. This translates to an average daily loss of -0.08% since it was identified as a buy candidate. Our analysis shows that the stock is currently in the midst of a wide and declining trend in the short term, indicating that it may continue to fall within this trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, we anticipate a potential decrease of -15.08% over the next 3 months. The stock could potentially return between -23.04% and -11.94% during this period. Examining the 12-month trend, we expect a -18.79% change over the next year. This corresponds to a potential return ranging from -25.66% to 7.69%. In other words, the stock's price could range between $54.90 and $79.53 after 12 months. Our latest update on Alibaba reveals that the stock price has experienced a decrease of 1.8% on Thursday. On the last trading day, the Alibaba stock price fell from $75.20 to $73.85, representing a decline of 1.8%. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $73.56 and a high of $75.50, reflecting a 2.64% fluctuation. Although the price has decreased in 6 out of the last 10 days, it has still managed to increase by 3.42% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which can be seen as a positive sign as volume typically follows the stock. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 14 million shares, with a total of 22 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.65 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price for Alibaba was $121.30, while the lowest was $66.64. At present, the stock price is 39.12%, equivalent to $47.45, below the 52-week high, and 76.87%, equivalent to $245.47, below the all-time high on October 27, 2020, when it reached $319.32. Today, let's take a look at the latest analyst ratings for Alibaba Group Holding Limited, also known as Alibaba. On Friday, January 12, 2024, Truist Financial gave Alibaba an underperform grade with a hold action. On the same day, UBS provided a more positive outlook, giving Alibaba a buy grade with a hold action. Moving back to Friday, December 1, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave Alibaba a buy grade with a downgrade action. Earlier, on Friday, November 17, 2023, Benchmark also gave Alibaba a buy grade with a hold action. Finally, on the same day, Morgan Stanley rated Alibaba as overweight with a hold action. Analysts have given Alibaba stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as buy and price to book as buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock an buy rating. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for Alibaba. The Alibaba stock has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast. However, there is a general sell signal due to the relation between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. If the stock experiences corrections and moves downward, there will be some support at the price levels of $71.16 and $73.07. If the stock breaks below any of these levels, sell signals will be issued. On Thursday, January 18, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in an 8.52% increase so far. This suggests that there may be further rise until a new top pivot is found. However, there have also been some negative signals, which could potentially influence the short-term development of the stock. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. It's worth noting that volume fell alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume should typically follow price movements. Here are some other signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, it's currently showing a sell signal. Pivots, a buy signal was generated 6 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was generated 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, a buy signal was generated 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was generated 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 13 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. Short moving average, a buy signal was generated 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, it's currently showing a sell signal, which was generated 96 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 83 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Alibaba. When it comes to Alibaba, there's an interesting support level at $72.38 that's worth noting. This level has seen a significant amount of trading volume, which suggests that it could potentially serve as a buying opportunity. In fact, we might even see an upward reaction when this support level is tested. In terms of risk, Alibaba is considered to have medium-level movements throughout the day, so it's not too volatile. Looking at the previous day, the stock had a price range of $1.94, or 2.64% between its highest and lowest points. On average, over the past week, the stock has seen a daily volatility of 2.96%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Alibaba, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower PE ratio might indicate a lack of optimism about the company's future prospects or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 22, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings are at $2.86. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Alibaba. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Alibaba is at $74.02. It might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position if you don't currently own any shares. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Alibaba encounters its first support level at $72.38. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound in the stock price. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $70.87, which represents a decrease of 4.04%. This particular stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a moderate level of risk. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was observed 5 days ago. Is Alibaba stock a good buy? Despite the stock being in a falling trend, there are several positive short-term signals that indicate a potential buying opportunity. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, January 26, we anticipate Alibaba to open up $0.453 and commence trading at $74.30. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. Prior to making any investment decisions, we strongly recommend consulting a qualified financial advisor. Please refrain from solely relying on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're taking a closer look at the current view of this stock. We want to hear your thoughts on this, so make sure to comment below and share your opinions. What's your target for this stock? We're also grateful for your support, so remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Before we conclude, we want to wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.